Dear Santander students, hope you are staying at home and staying safe. So, my name is Saksham Singh, your computer teacher. Let's start with chapter number 4, editing text in Microsoft Word 2016. So, before editing, first of all, you have to start the MS Word 2016. You will type on the Cortana search bar MS Word and you will see the search result of MS Word, and you will click on the MS Word icon and your MS Word window will appear. Now follow the given steps, new blank document, and this window will appear on your document. Okay, now next in this chapter we will learn about some editing in the MS Word document. So before editing, first of all you have to type something on the MS Word document. So let's take an example. You will write this paragraph with the help of keyboard in your MS Word document. Now selecting the text, you will select a simple one word. Also double click on the word, a sentence, a full sentence, a paragraph, a large block of text, entire document. You have to, it's your choice. These are a word, double click on the a sentence, hold the control key and click anywhere on the sentence, a paragraph, a large block of text, and entire document. Okay, it's your choice. You will choose any of you will select any of the text on your whole document. So these are the shortcut keys to select one character to the left, one character to the right, one line up, one line down. These are the shortcut keys. You have to learn these shortcut keys. And another one is beginning of the current line, end of the current line, beginning of the current document, end of the current document. Okay, now when you select the text, like you will select this whole line, and if you want to delete this text, press the delete key, this line will be deleted. Okay, now inserting text. There are some Word 2016 allows the user to add new text to an already existing document in two different ways. First one is insert mode, another one is overtyped mode. Insert mode, just like bring the cursor where you want to enter some text. Just like you will type this paragraph on your Microsoft Word. If you want to add some text from this full stop, so bring the cursor over there and then type all the documents from there. Okay, now next, moving the text. If you want to move text from one place to another, for example, when I write a text from this moving the text whole step, but I write this step here and this step here, so there is a problem because all the step will not be mismatched. So with the help of moving the text, first of all select the whole text and paste over there, and this position will upside up. Now next one is copying the text. Copying the text is also similar. For example, this line is similar in all the topics. So I will select this line, whole line I will select it, and then copying means copy and then bring the cursor where you want to bring this line. Click on the paste button and your full line will be there. Okay, now undo and redo commands. Undo and redo commands, let's take an example. First of all, I draw a circle and one line, two line, and then one rectangle. Okay, these are the steps. I will draw anything. So when you click on the undo button, undo means like this, click one by one step will be back. When you click on the redo button, one by one step will be forward, like this. Okay, all of you understand it? Now next one is checking grammar and spelling. So this is a very helpful feature in MS Word. When you write something, if there is a mistake on anything like spelling error. So a red wavy line will appear on this particular text. This shows that there is a spelling mistake, while a green line, when there is a green wavy line, represents a grammatical error. So this will helpful to check the spelling and check the grammar of your document. Now, Thesaurus. Thesaurus is a software tool that provides synonym for a selected word. For example, select any of the text of your choice, like anything of your text, like help. If you select help and click on this thesaurus option, so all the synonyms of the help will appear on a list. You will select any of your choice. Okay, now the chapter has been finished. I will send you the solutions of this chapter. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.